think we are all set. Welcome to Cursed Card Breaks. Tonight we're breaking 4 blaster boxes of the Mosaic football. Here we go. Box number 1. There we go. Zach Ertz, Chandler Jones, Von Miller. We got a green Mosaic, rookie card, Kenneth Murray, green Mosaic, Marshall Faulk, Jerry Rice, rookie Cam Akers. We have a silver prism behind it. Rookie card, Brian Edwards. The silver prism. Tom Brady, Marlon Mack, Tyler Eifert, another green Mosaic behind it, Matt Ryan, Curtis Martin, Jared Goff, NFL debut rookie Jalen Hurts, and a Ryan Tannehill got game. Jimmy Garoppolo. Looks like a little surface damage there. Kyler Murray. Drew Lock. Green Mosaic behind it. Marshall Faulk. Kyle Rudolph, Mike Alstott, rookie Jonathan Taylor, and an Aaron Rodgers will to win. Taysom Hill, Matt Judon, Brett Favre, green Mosaic, NFL debut, A.J. Dillon. Josh Jacobs, Miles Sanders, MVP Patrick Mahomes, and an old school Terry Bradshaw. All right, box number 2. I saw a silver Mosaic back there. Eddie George, Ed Reed, Herman Moore, Hall of Fame silver Mosaic, Randy Moss. Lawrence Taylor, Keenan Allen, rookie Denzel Mims, old school Howie Long, Juju Smith-Schuster, DJ Moore, Amari Cooper, green Mosaic, Patrick Mahomes. Chris Godwin, Saquon Barkley, NFL debut, Henry Ruggs, and a touchdown masters, Eli Manning. Max Crosby, Michael Vick, Kenny Galladay, green Mosaic behind it, Jimmy Garoppolo. Deshaun Jackson, Ricky Williams, rookie Chase Claypool, big week last week, and a Drew Lock got game. Russell Wilson, Tre'Davious White, Carlos Hyde, Rookie, green Mosaic, Brian Edwards. I believe that is the second one for Brian Edwards. All right. Julian Edelman, Kevin Byard, MVP Lamar Jackson. Got a Mosaic back here. Drew Lock, will to win. All right, box number 3. Deshaun Watson, Steve Largett, rookie Zach Moss, green Mosaic John Riggins. Charles Tillman, Eddie George, Hall of Fame Michael Irving, and a Got Game Adrian Peterson. Let's see, Patrick Mahomes, Lawrence Taylor. That one's got a little surface scratch on it too. A.J. Dillon rookie. Green Mosaic Hall of Fame Troy Aikman. DeAndre Hopkins, Keenan Allen, Pro Bowl Kirk Cousins, and an old school Steve Young. Terrell Davis, Juju Smith-Schuster, rookie Cam Akers, green Mosaic Ed Reed. Josh Allen, Chris Godwin, NFL debut Jalen Hurts, and touchdown masters Drew Brees. Devontae Adams, Saquon Barkley. Rookie Jonathan Taylor. Green Mosaic, Herman Moore. Oh, I think I saw a silver prism back there. Khalil Mack. Max Crosby. MVP Patrick Mahomes. It was. Silver prism Ed Reed. All right, box number 4. I show the inside of that box there. Von Miller. Carson Wentz. NFL debut Cole Kmet. Touchdown Masters Eli Manning. Oh, open that up backwards. Maybe not. That card was just backwards, I guess. Got Tyrann Mathieu. Devin McCourty. Rookie Joshua Kelly. NFL debut Green Mosaic. Rookie Jerry Jeudy. Nice one there for the Broncos. Never seen that in there before. Marlon Mack. DK Metcalf. Hall of Fame Dan Marino. And a Drew Lock got game. I believe that is the second one for him. Tyler Eifert. Terry McLaurin. Rookie Lynn Bowden Jr. Green Mosaic, Kyler Murray. Kick this back off with another Murray. Sam Darnold. Pro Bowl Lamar Jackson. Will to win Baker Mayfield. Drew Lock, Mike Williams, rookie Vaughn Jefferson, green Mosaic Zach Thomas, two packs left. Matt Judon, Terry Bradshaw, NFL debut C.D. Lamb, and a flea flicker Terrell Davis, John Elway, Ed McCaffrey. TJ, how's it going, buddy? Couple Eagles cards pulled for you so far. Got last pack. Started off with a Brett Favre, Kirk Cousins, rookie KJ Hamler, and a green Mosaic, and Daniel Jones. Alright, let's recap these Mosaics real quick. Sleeve them up in the process. Just ended with that Daniel Jones. We had the Zach Thomas. Kyler Murray. Bryan Edwards, Silver Prism. The Jerry Jeudy NFL debut. Ed Reed, Silver Prism. And the Ed Reed Green Mosaic. The Herman Moore Green Mosaic. Troy Aikman, Hall of Fame. John Riggins. Bryan Edwards. Jimmy Garoppolo. Drew Lock, Will to Win. The Randy Moss Hall of Fame Silver. A.J. Dillon NFL debut. Aaron Rodgers Will to Win. Marshall Faulk. Patrick Mahomes. Matt Ryan. And the Kenneth Murray. Alright everybody, thank you for tuning in tonight. Tomorrow night, we'll be breaking 4 more boxes of the 2020 Mosaic. And then next Friday night, we'll be breaking these 2 boxes of 2020 Absolute Football. 6 autographs, 4 memorabilia cards total. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good night, everybody.